In this video, you'll learn how to swap tokens on PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to seamlessly exchange cryptocurrencies directly from your wallet. Begin by opening your Trust Wallet application on your device. Ensure that you are connected to the internet, as a stable connection is necessary for the entire process. If you are using a desktop, you can access the Trust Wallet extension from your browser. Once Trust Wallet is open, look for the dApps or browser option in the main interface. This is typically located at the bottom of the screen for mobile users or in the sidebar for desktop users. Tap or click on it to access decentralized applications. Next, type PancakeSwap into the search bar of the dApps section. This will help you locate the PancakeSwap platform quickly. After entering the name, select PancakeSwap from the search results to navigate to the website. After the PancakeSwap interface loads, locate the swap button on the homepage. This button is usually prominently displayed, allowing you to proceed with the token exchange. Click on Swap to move to the next step of the process. Now you will see the From section. Click on this area to select the token you wish to swap from. A list of available tokens will appear. If the token you want is not visible, you can use the search function to find it quickly. Once you have selected the token you are swapping from, look for the TOE section. Click on it and choose the token you want to receive in exchange. Again, utilize the search feature for efficiency if needed. After selecting both the tokens, you will need to specify the amount you want to swap. Enter the desired amount in the From section. The interface will automatically calculate the equivalent amount you will receive in the To section based on current exchange rates. Before finalizing the swap, review the transaction details, including any fees associated with the exchange. If everything looks correct, click on the swap button to initiate the transaction. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to verify the swap, which you should read carefully. Upon confirming, the transaction will be processed. Depending on the network conditions, this may take a few moments. Ensure that you have sufficient BNB in your wallet to cover transaction fees, as this is essential for the swap to be successful. Finally, once the transaction is completed, you will receive a notification confirming the successful swap. You can check your wallet balance to verify that the new token has been credited. Make sure to keep track of your transaction history for future reference. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.